Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of modern glam crystal tea light holders. And so what you're going to need 4 of these peel and stick appliques. This is a silver and rhinestone applique from Totally Dazzled. And it has an adhesive backing on it, but it also has like a little mesh, white mesh backing on this as well. Kind of like, just kind of like a mesh backing here. And you see this little tape piece here? When you peel this away, there is an adhesive backing underneath that. So that's gorgeous, isn't it? And they're from Totally Dazzled. You're also going to need some of this Bling Wrap from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor and wedding decor and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now I also have some Floral diamond wrap, and this is from Efavormart. And then I have some of these little teardrop pendants from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now from Dollar Tree, I've got 2 of these square candle holders. 1 pack contains 2 of these round tea light holders. I've got some of these silver napkin rings. I've got some Mod Podge, which I may need or may not, and then a little paintbrush here as well. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. Also, if I have any additional items that I add to this items list, it'll be in the description box below for you guys to check out as well. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these modern glam crystal tea lights turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.